These smashed potatoes are crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside, and so easy to make. Perfect as a side dish or quick snack, and definitely one you'll be making on repeat. So if that sounds good to you, keep watching and let's get right into it. Wash 2.5 pounds of medium potatoes and pat dry. Poke each one 4 times on each side with a fork so they don't explode. Spread them on a microwave-safe plate and microwave for 10 to 20 minutes, turning halfway through until fork tender. Place the potatoes on a lined or greased baking sheet and gently smash with a potato masher. Drizzle with about 3 tablespoons of melted butter or olive oil and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and Parmesan cheese if desired. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden and crispy. You can garnish them with fresh chives or other herbs if you'd like, or enjoy them just like that. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, why not give this video a like? And if you feel like it, subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.